Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. And I'm in the sun here. There you go. Well, today we're going to go on an adventure. It's a parts adventure. I tend to do this when I'm working on vehicles. I like to try to help people get fair deals on stuff. So I am currently in the middle of working on this Honda XR400. And the gentleman I'm working on it for doesn't like this exhaust. It's very loud. It's been gutted out. It's got this end cap put on it. This is stock exhaust, but it's still pretty loud. And it also has an issue with the air box, missing some pieces inside here. So the cost of those parts, if you buy them from Honda, pretty expensive. Now I have located a person who is parting out one of these. Yeah, sun killing me. Parting out one of these XR400s, but it's up in Riverside County. It's about 110 miles away. So that being said, get the motorcycle loaded up. Let me see here. I'm gonna throw some water in and a jacket because I might be riding after dark on the way back. It all depends. But I also have a restaurant that I saw an ad for up there. It's about 30 miles away from where this guy has the parts. So I think I'm gonna go up there and check out this restaurant. It's called the Oinkster. So while I'm up there, I might as well grab a bite to eat. Catch this guy after he gets off work, strap down the parts and bring him on back down here. So let me load up the bike and get some stuff going in my helmet to listen to here, probably some podcasts, and we'll see you hopefully up at the Oinkster. We'll see what that's all about. All right. This is about 2 hours worth of driving here, going through the belly of the beast, as it were, riding through LA, and it's about 4:30, so I'm catching some of the bad traffic. But here we are at the Oinkster, and like I said, man, I had to go through some crazy traffic and some crazy neighborhoods. LA is one big city, man. Holy smokes. But supposedly they have a really good pastrami. I love that, so it doesn't look too busy here. I'll check it out. And then I think it's 40 miles from here to the guy who has the parts, and I'm supposed to meet him in about an hour. But 40 miles, I'll have to look at my navigation, but it'll probably be over an hour with traffic even on the motorcycle. So let me get some food, and we'll take a look at that when I get in here. That's a mighty good looking sandwich. We got some sort of cabbage in there, cheese. I don't know if it was worth the drive or not, but I was coming up here anyway. It's a little bit out of my way, so I'm gonna give her a try. Sorry about the sun. There you have it, the Oinkster. It's a pretty darn good pastrami sandwich now. I don't know if it was worth the drive up here, but I was already on the way. And like I said, I heard about the place, saw that it wasn't too far out of my way, so I checked it out. I plugged in the coordinates for my stop for my parts. It's 30 miles from here, and it's saying it's an hour and 20 minutes. So I guess we'll see how the motorcycle does through the traffic, but I'm sure it's going to take me a minute one way or another. But anyway, we'll see ya on the next stop. Turned out to be a really cool dude. He had a electric motorcycle, and he let me ride it. I rode it around the block. That thing was really cool. First electric bike that I got to ride. Man, interesting. Completely silent, no gears, no shifting, and it gets up and moves pretty quick. It's not extremely fast, but you're going 50 miles an hour before you know it. But anyway, I got to get this motorcycle turned around and head back towards home. Stop for gas and all that stuff. So I will see you back in the Global Domination headquarters. Well, there you have it. Here's the parts I went up there to get. Did a 300 mile ride to get a pastrami sandwich and some motorcycle parts. So, I don't know, is that sane? Is it insane? Unsure, but I had a decent time. And with those parts, I should be able to finish up this bike. I think, well, I'm waiting on some fork boots, but besides that, I should get everything operational running and be ready to wrap it up. So I guess it was worth it. Otherwise, this bike might sit in here for a while waiting. This exhaust pipe is one of those things where 10 of them could pop up, or none of them could pop up to find one, especially at a reasonable price. So another good day, another fun adventure, riding through LA. Well, I guess it's kind of fun. It's interesting. So thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.